Safety Induction. Selamat datang di proyek Gedung Data Center HDC Cikarang, Bekasi.
Welcome to the HDC Data Center Construction Project in Cikarang, Bekasi.
Area wajib menggunakan APD. Sebelum Anda memasuki area proyek, persiapkan APD yang diperlukan, di antaranya helm, rompi, dan sepatu.
Personal protective equipment is required in certain areas. Before you enter the site project, prepare the necessary personal protective equipment, among them a helmet, a vest, and shoes.
Protokol kesehatan. Di saat memasuki proyek, wajib menggunakan masker, mencuci tangan, memeriksa suhu badan, dan menjaga jarak sesuai protokol kesehatan.
Health protocol. When entering the site project, it is mandatory to wear a mask, wash your hands, check your body temperature, and maintain a distance according to health protocols.
Denah Site Office Proyek Gedung Data Center. Saat ini, kita berada di ruang meeting Site Office PT Adi Persada Gedung.
Map of the site office of the data center building project. We are currently in the meeting room of PT Adi Persada Gedung site office.
Fasilitas toilet. Terdapat 2 fasilitas toilet untuk pria dan wanita berada di lantai 3 site office PT Adi Persada Gedung.
Toilet facilities. There are 2 toilet facilities for men and women located on the 3rd floor of the PT Adi Persada Gedung site office.
Fasilitas musola. Fasilitas musola berada di lantai 3 samping ruang HSE.
Prayer room facilities. The prayer room facilities are on the 3rd floor next to the HSE room.
Fasilitas APAR. Terdapat 6 buah APAR, diantaranya di depan ruang HSE, di depan ruang rapat, di dalam kantor PT Adi Persada Gedung, di depan kantor PT Adi Persada Gedung, di depan kantor MK, dan di depan kantor owner.
Firefighting equipment. There are 6 fire extinguishers including in front of the HSE room, in front of the meeting room, inside the PT Adi Persada Gedung site office, in front of the PT Adi Persada Gedung site office, in front of the MK office, and in front of the owner's office.
Fasilitas tempat cuci tangan. Terdapat 3 tempat cuci tangan, di antaranya di depan pos security, di depan kantor PT Adi Persada Gedung, dan di depan kantor MK.
Hand washing facilities. There are 3 hand washing stations in front of the security post, in front of the PT Adi Persada Gedung site office, and in front of the MK office.
Fasilitas hand sanitizer. Terdapat 7 tempat hand sanitizer, di antaranya di pos security, di dalam kantor PT Adi Persada Gedung, di depan pintu kantor PT Adi Persada Gedung, di depan pintu kantor MK, di depan pintu kantor owner, di depan pintu ruangan HSE, dan di depan pintu ruang meeting.
Hand sanitizer facility. Hand sanitizer is available at the security post, inside the PT Adi Persada Gedung office, in front of the PT Adi Persada Gedung office door, in front of the MK office door, in front of the owner's office door, in front of the SHG room door, and in front of the meeting room door.
Jalur evakuasi jika terjadi kebakaran ataupun gempa bumi. Jalur evakuasi menuju tangga darurat, maka ikutilah tanda panah warna hijau yang sudah terpasang di setiap dinding gedung ini menuju assembly point. Assembly point berada di depan pos security.
In the event of a fire or an earthquake, this is the evacuation route. The evacuation route leads to the emergency stairs. From there, follow the green arrows installed on each wall of this building to assembly point. The meeting point is in front of the security post.
Informasi. Bila terjadi sesuatu hal yang tidak kita inginkan seperti kebakaran atau huru-hara, jangan panik. Segera menuju tanda jalur evakuasi. Utamakan untuk mendahulukan wanita. Berkumpul di assembly point sambil menunggu informasi dari petugas kami.
Information. If something happens that we don't want, such as a fire or a riot, don't panic. Immediately go to the evacuation route sign, prioritize women first, and gather at the assembly point while waiting for information for our officers.
Jika terjadi gempa bumi, silahkan segera mencari perlindungan di samping meja kerja, dinding, atau kolom bangunan sampai ada aba-aba dari petugas kami bahwa kondisi aman. Untuk segera meninggalkan gedung, menuju assembly point.
If an earthquake occurs, please seek shelter immediately beside a work desk, wall, or building column until our officers signal that the conditions are safe, and to leave the building immediately for the assembly point.
Tim evakuasi terdiri dari Handi Ilham, Dodi Kirana, Nandang, dan Charles.
The evacuation team consists of Handi Ilham, Dodi Kirana, Nandang, and Charles.
Informasi lainnya. Ruangan ini bebas asap rokok. Jagalah kebersihan dan jangan buang sampah sembarangan. Hemat listrik. Jika tidak digunakan, mohon dimatikan. Serta gunakan air secukupnya.
Additional information. This room does not allow smoking. Keep it clean and avoid littering. Conserve energy. Turn off the electricity if you are not using it. And use water accordingly.
Terima kasih telah mengikuti Safety Induction PT Adi Persada Gedung. Semoga keselamatan dan kesehatan kerja kita tetap terjaga. Safety is our spirit.
Thank you for taking part in PT Adi Persada Gedung Safety Induction. We hope that our workplace safety and health will be preserved. Safety is our spirit.